Hello, Miss Holly here. Today we're going to explore the vibrancy and beauty of colors. Whether you're younger or older, you'll enjoy the video to look at the beautiful scenery and listen to the song at the end. And also, a little bluebird will appear in some of the clips of the video. Let's see if you can count how many times our little flying bluebird appears. It'll be fun. Here we go.
Here is what our little bluebird friend will look like.
Let's start with a splash of colors. They're so incredibly beautiful.
Sunshine, sunshine, yellow sunshine, happy yellow sunshine. It's a yellow honeybee with black stripes. This yellow giraffe with orange accents sure loves to disco dance. Let's look at brown. And the brown dog goes round and round and round and round and round and round and round. Here is a baby kangaroo trying to get into his mommy's pouch, but he's too big. These kangaroos are light brown. Here is a brown bear. Mr. Brown Bear, Mr. Brown Bear, what are you doing there? Wait a minute, what happened to the brown bear? You are a black bear. You are both very cute. Here is red and a beautiful cardinal. This red apple sure looks happy. Let's dance along with him. Here we have a red truck and an even bigger red truck. Earth in a magnificent universe. Look at the blue sky and blue water. It is very peaceful. These blueberries are delicious and healthy. Yum, 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 yum. Wow, check out these oranges. Orange sure is a fun color. Look at these orange fish. There are so many of them. And listen to the bubbles.
Before we explore some new colors, let's listen to a song about colors. And don't forget, we're still looking for our happy bluebird friend. See how many times you can find him.
The world is full of color. Let's look around and see. The world is full of color. It's a wondrous place to be. So many shades, some dark, some light. Let's look around. What a beautiful sight. The world is full of color. Let's look around and see. The world is full of color. What a wondrous place to be. So many shades, some soft, some bold, some that are bright, some that are twinkling in the night. The world is full of color. Let's look around and see. The world is full of color. Let's explore it, you and me. Here is a purple donut with sprinkles spinning around. This would make a delicious dessert. Maybe we could split it in half. Look at the magnificent purple flowers and floating butterflies. Can you see the purple mountain majesties behind the flowers? Here are swirls of purple that are circular with beautiful images inside. I'm not quite sure what this is. It looks like a science experiment, but it's quite lovely. Here is a very interesting green bird, although he does have red accents on his head. And his tail is different too. I am a green frog. I like to help, so I'm holding this sign. There are so many green herbs and vegetables here. They are quite beautiful, tasty, healthy, and delicious.
Thank you for exploring the colors with me. It was fun, wasn't it? Now let's see how many times you were able to see Mr. Bluebird. All total, there were 8 times. 2 of those times were when Miss Holly was showing you the bluebird or reminding you about the bluebird. And then there were 6 times where the bluebird was in the clips. If you weren't able to count that many times, go back and see if you can find Mr. Bluebird again. Thank you for being here, and if you like this video, please subscribe to Miss Holly Teaches. Should we sing the song one more time? Great. Sing along with Miss Holly. Bye for now.
The world is full of color. Let's look around and see. The world is full of color. It's a wondrous place to be. So many shades, some dark, some light. Let's look around. What a beautiful sight. The world is full of color. Let's look around and see. The world is full of color. What a wondrous place to be. So many shades, some soft, some bold, some that are bright, some that are twinkling in the night. The world is full of color. Let's look around and see. The world is full of color. Let's explore it, you and me. Bluebird friend wanted to say goodbye, and now that makes 9 times. Thank you for watching.